Hey guys, it's back here. This is my first video, and today we're comparing two of the best weapons, the Spark Shark and the laser minigun. And my friend Josh is here with me today.
Hi.
So without further ado, let's get into it. Today I'm gonna compare the two weapons in Nuclear City. So I'm gonna try the laser minigun first. Laser minigun, personally, I like the gun a lot, but it's just really not accurate. See that guy up there? It's hard to get him. But what I like about this gun is that it has lots of ammo, and it's hard to get out of ammo. Stupid person. Die. Okay, there. And it doesn't shoot that fast. But it does a lot of damage though. Okay, there. Kills. I love kills. Okay, it's kind of hard to kill with this weapon. And see the crosshair, when I shoot, it turns really fast. And yeah, it's a good weapon though. It's just not really accurate. Hey, there. Good, I got a defeat though. Oh, I got 9 kills. That's a good score. So now let's try out the Spark Shark. Okay. I tried the Spark Shark before, and it's not my favorite weapon. It does a lot of damage, but it's hard to get. It's hard to hit people with it. Oh, come on. Okay. Where is everybody? Oh, here. Come on, kill him. Kill him, kill him. This gun, it's hard to kill anyone who's jumping. It's good on the ground, like if you hit the ground that's beside them, but it's hard to hit their body with this gun because it's not accurate. Come on, people show up. And I accidentally killed myself. That's one problem about area damage stuff. What, Desert Eagle? Why does he have the Desert Eagle? What the heck? That's like a solo raiding weapon. Wow. So, looks like we're getting a lot of kills, but it's hard to really hit anybody with this gun, especially when you're moving. And one thing I don't like about these kind of guns is that the bullets travel really slow. So if they're moving, it's hard to aim and hit them. And I think this thing is like a 3-shot kill. Okay, died. Wait, why is that Desert Eagle guy killing me? I really suck at this game. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Kill assist. That guy. Kill him. Ah, come on, somebody else got that bonus. Who cares? Kill Yeah, it looks like it's like a 3 or 4 shot kill. 3 or 4 shot? That's decent. It's a mythical weapon, so probably not gonna be that bad. Come on, kill. Kill. There, died. This weapon is really, like, it's good, but it's bad. Like, does lots of damage, but it's hard to hit. That's like the only bad thing about this weapon. So, if you guys are wondering what gun to use right now, I would suggest a Spark Shark, because the Spark Shark it's hard to hit anyone, but like the laser minigun shoots fast, but the Spark Shark I just feel like it's easier to kill because it's a 3 or 4 shot kill. Shot kill. But like the laser minigun, it doesn't really shoot that fast. And yeah, so I really suggest the Spark Shark. But since it's a mythical, it's pretty hard to get. So good luck getting it. And that's it for today. See you next time.